If you're looking for a smart, high-impact way to boost your home's value in Palmetto Bay, replacing your doors is one upgrade that delivers real results. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to protect and enhance your investment, a replacement door offers benefits that go far beyond appearances. From curb appeal to energy efficiency, a new door can make a noticeable difference in how your home looks, feels, and performs. First impressions matter in Palmetto Bay. In a community like Palmetto Bay, where well-maintained homes and attractive exteriors are the norm, first impressions carry weight. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice. An outdated, weather-worn, or damaged door can instantly detract from an otherwise beautiful home. A replacement door refreshes your home's exterior and gives it a polished, updated look. Modern entry doors come in a wide range of styles, finishes, and colors that complement South Florida architecture. Whether you prefer a sleek contemporary design or a more traditional aesthetic, a new door can significantly enhance curb appeal, and that directly impacts perceived home value. Increased energy efficiency saves money. Palmetto Bay homeowners know how important it is to keep indoor spaces cool and comfortable year-round. Older doors often allow air leaks, which force your air conditioning system to work harder and drive up energy bills. A high-quality replacement door is designed with proper insulation and tight seals that help maintain indoor temperatures. Improved energy efficiency not only reduces monthly utility costs but also appeals to buyers who are increasingly focused on long-term savings. Energy-efficient features are a strong selling point and can make your home stand out in a competitive market. Improved security adds real value. Security is a top priority for homeowners and buyers alike. Replacing an older door with a modern, reinforced option adds an extra layer of protection to your home. Today's replacement doors often include stronger frames, advanced locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. In Palmetto Bay, where homeowners value peace of mind, upgraded security features can increase both the practical and emotional value of a property. Buyers are more likely to invest in a home that feels safe and secure from the moment they walk through the door. Better functionality and everyday comfort. A door that sticks, squeaks, or doesn't close properly can be a daily frustration. Over time, humidity and wear can cause doors to warp or misalign, making them less functional and less appealing. Replacing your door improves ease of use and everyday comfort. Smooth operation, quieter closing, and better weather resistance all contribute to a better living experience. While these improvements may seem small, they add up and are often noticed during home showings or inspections. Strong return on investment. One of the biggest advantages of a replacement door is its return on investment. Compared to larger renovations, door replacement is relatively affordable while still offering a meaningful boost in home value. It's an upgrade that improves aesthetics, performance, and security all at once. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, this means you can enjoy the benefits immediately while also positioning your home for a higher resale value down the line. A simple upgrade with lasting impact. Replacing your door is more than just a cosmetic change. It's a strategic home improvement that enhances value, comfort, and confidence. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, patio doors, or interior doors, the impact is clear and long-lasting. If you want to improve your home's value in Palmetto Bay without a major renovation, a replacement door is a smart place to start.